In today's video we are going to talk about StayClassy.in. You can print custom-made t-shirts, phone covers, pop sockets, mugs and mouse pads too. You can print mobile covers for all leading smartphone brands. We are going to design one for an iPhone 6. You can design your own cover or choose one of the awesome designs they offer. You can select the image of your choice. Resize and crop it according to your preference. You can also slap your company logo, your name or any image of your choice. And that is it. Add the product to your cart. Fill in the form and place your order. They only take prepaid orders and don't accept cash on delivery at the moment. The package took about 7 days to arrive. You can see the Stay Classy logo on the package. The print quality is amazing. It fits the device perfectly. The colors are nice and bright, and the print is crisp and has all the details. For something around 200 rupees, this is really amazing. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel.